Miss Ariel here, and you clicked on the craft box. And this week we are going to make a bird in its nest. How cute is this little guy? So we made him a little nest, and then he just gets to sit all nestled up, nice and cozy into his nest. So I'm going to show you how we did this, and we're going to jump right into it. Okay, so in your bag for this week's craft, you're going to get the body of your bird, our actual little nest for where our bird's going to sit, and of course some grass, since birds like to take fabrics, yarn, grass that they find outside to build their little cushion, almost like a mattress that they get to sleep on, their beak, and of course their googly eyes. So the first thing we're going to do is take our body and we're going to glue our eyeballs right here in the center. Of course, I'm going to use a disappearing purple just to put, and I'm going to put some glue right in the center of it, just so my eyeballs are going to, oops. And you have to make sure that you put enough glue so they look a little bit like this. And so this part right here that looks a little bit like a darker blue, that's gonna dry out since it's disappearing purple, right? The next part that we're gonna do is take our beak, put some glue here on the back or on the body like I did, and we're gonna glue his nose just like so. That way our bird can sing and go tweet, 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 tweet. Or maybe it's gonna catch a worm. We don't know yet, do we? So then he'll look a little bit like this. Ooh. My bird's beak's a little bit crooked, huh? Wasn't it? There we go. Looks a lot better now, huh? So after that, we're going to draw on our wing right here. That way it looks like his wing's tucked in, right? So I'm gonna try to freehand it for you guys, okay? So you have to try at home too, okay? So we're gonna try. Oh, I think that looks pretty good. Now you can use a blue crayon at home. I just had a black marker next to me, so that way you can see his wing nestled into his side, right? Looks pretty good for a first try, huh? And then the next part we're going to take is our cupcake liner. And we're gonna put a bunch of glue around the sides and in the center here. And that way we can get our grass to actually stick to it. So then we can nestle our bird into its nest. So then we have a bunch of glue in our cupcake liner. Gonna get our bits of grass here. We're gonna kind of make it into a ball to make it a little bit easier to roll it up here. And then stick it in the center of our cupcake liner. That way, ta-da, it'll stay glued. And then we're just gonna set our little bird in there. And ta-da, we have our bird with our nest. Oh look, he looks so cozy in his little nest, doesn't he? Aw. So I hope you enjoyed this craft, and I hope you click around and see what else you can find.